Hello everyone, let's solve the first problem from biweekly contest 98, maximum difference by remapping a digit. Let's see. You are given an integer num. You know that Danny Mitchell will sneakily remap one of the 10 possible digits 0 to 9 to another digit. Return the difference between the maximum and minimum values he can make by remapping exactly one digit in num. When Danny remaps a digit d1 to another digit d2, Danny replaces all occurrences of d1 in num with d2. Okay. Danny can remap a digit to itself, in which case num does not change. Danny can remap different digits for obtaining minimum and maximum values respectively. The resulting number after remapping can obtain leading zeros. We mentioned Danny Mitchell to congratulate him on being in the top 10 of T26. Alright. 11891. To achieve the maximum value, he can remap the digit 1 to 9 to yield this one. Fine. To achieve the minimum value, Danny can remap the digit 1 to digit 0, yielding 890. Okay, the difference is in this one. Fine. 90. The maximum value that can be returned is 99 if 0 is replaced by 9. If we replace 0 by 9, we get 99. Alright. And the minimum value that can be returned by the function is 0 if 9 is replaced by 0. That means this 9 is replaced by 0. Okay. We have 11891. In order to maximize this, we don't need to have any second thought. We can directly change a digit to to 9, right? No 8, no 7, no need. This is the maximum, right? We will try to change it to 9 only. Fine. So we have changed all these ones to 9s, right? And what about the minimum? 8, 9, 1. We have changed all these ones to zeros, right? Now what is the idea actually? 11891. The idea is, in order to make it maximum, okay, we have to try making all the digits from this side the maximum. What I mean is that if this is the number, we will try to maximize this number. Then only we will have this maximum, right? Say this is 1, we change it to 9. We get 91891. Instead of that, if we change the second one to 9, we get 19891, which is definitely smaller than the previous, right? So we change the first one, and according to question, if you change a particular number, say a to b, all the occurrences of a has to be changed to b. That means these ones also become a 9. Fine. So this is how we obtain our maximum number, right? Now what if our number is 90, right? This is already 9, isn't it? What do? Let's move here. This is 0, we can change this to a 9. Now we have a greater number, 99, isn't it? So what is the inference? We will try to find the first non 9 digit, right? In the first example, 11891, the first non 9 digit is 1, so we change that to 9. In the second example, 90, the first non 9 digit is 0, we change that to 9 for max. Now what about min? 11891. Similarly, just the way we maximized our number from left to right, in order to minimize it, we will have to minimize the digits from left to right only, right? Like we minimize this one, we get 1891. Okay, similarly there is no second thought. We will directly change the particular number, say x, to directly to 0. Fine. We change this to 0, we get 1891. Fine. What if we do this one? We get 10891, definitely greater than the previous one. So we will try to change the first digit only, and if we do, all the occurrences of the very first digit is changed to a 0 as well, right? So if we change this to 0, we get 00890, which is nothing but 890. What about 90? The maximum was 99. What about the minimum? 90. The first digit is 9, change that to a 0, we finally get a 0. So for the first test case, the maximum is what? 99899. 99899. the minimum is what? 890. For the second one, the maximum is 99, right? We change the second 0 to 9, and the minimum is 0 0. We change the first 9 to 0. So this will give an answer, this will give an answer, right? Let's verify. 99899 and 890. 99899 890. 9900. What is that? 99 and 0. Yes, 00 means 0 only. So how are we going to code this? We need to iterate in nums, right? So in order for that, we will convert our num to a string. Let's say n integer dot to string num. Now let's take dummy values for now. Main equals to 0. Why 0 0? Because we are not going to do any comparison. We are just going to assign the values, so we don't need to do that. You'll see. Now we'll have to replace a number, right? A digit. See here, 11891. We need to replace 1. In 90 we need to replace 0. We don't know yet which one we are going to replace. So for now let's take 9. For car c in n dot to, if we have found a non 9 digit, a digit which is not 9, we will replace that. We don't need to move any further. We will replace all the occurrences of that digit. So we break, right? Now what? We replace. How do we replace? N dot replace. Replace what? To replace by what? With what? 9. We are going to change all the occurrences of that digit to 9. And what is the max? Max is integer dot parse int max str. Now the minimum string, say min str equals to, which one we are going to replace? The very first digit, all the occurrences of the very first digit, right? To a 0. So dot replace n dot char at 0, the character which is at the first 0th position, replace with a 0. What is the min? Min is integer dot parse int min str. Okay, we don't need to have this, and directly do it here. Max int min. At the end, what is our work? Task, we need to return the difference, max minus min. Okay, let's see. Is our answer required answer? Yes. Let's submit. Accepted. What is the time complexity? We are iterating on this, right? Let's say that is O of n. Replace takes another O of n. We have two replaces, so that is O of 3n, which is nothing but O of n only. I guess n will be very short, small, because it's 10 power 8. Okay, that means 8 digits, 9 digits, right? So let's just go with n. What is space complexity? It's constant. We are not using any extra space as such. So yeah, this is all about this solution. If you like my video, hit the like button, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.